संकल्प से सिद्धि. पढ़ा है ना हर जगह. संकल्प से सिद्धि. संकल्प means thought. Siddhi means reality. So if I create the thought, I have the power to take that thought to a reality. And every thought that we create is influencing reality. Sankalp se siddhi is not only for those thoughts which we choose specific, but Sankalp se siddhi is working on every thought we create. Because every thought we create, see the power of every thought. Every thought we create, where is the first influence? Every thought I create, where's the first influence? The first is how I will feel. If I create a thought, I'm a divine being. I love everyone. I feel nice. If I create a thought, no one loves me. No one cares for me. I'm going to feel based on one thought. One thought. And like this, so many thoughts every day throughout my life. So my feeling gets influenced by my thought. So my every thought, the first thing that it will influence is how I feel. Second, my every thought, first it will influence how I feel. Second, my every thought will radiate to my body. Every thought reaches every cell of the body. So what is the health of my body is getting created from here. So my every thought influencing how I feel, 1. My every thought radiating to my body, 2. My every thought reaches the people for whom it was created. So my every thought becomes the foundation of my relationships. 4th, my every thought. First, how it feels. Second, body. Third, people. Fourth, my every thought. It radiates out into the universe. So environment, Vatavaran, my environment. And that's why since yesterday we are feeling peace, purity, because of the environment. But how does the environment get created? Based on every thought of the person who's been living here. So the thoughts radiate into the environment, it creates the environment, and then that environment influences the people who walk into that environment. Look at the power of our thought. Creates how I feel, creates my physical health, creates my relationships, and creates the world. Now if I want to change the world, if I want to change something in my relationships, if I want to change something in my health, and very important, if I want to change how I feel, simple. Simple. Change my thought. And we already saw this morning that the thought I create is not dependent on anything outside. Did you experiment with that this morning? Yes? My thought is a creation here, completely decided here, nothing to do with what is happening outside. When we forgot this and we kept creating thoughts based on what was happening outside shifted to a little confusion, inside shifted to a bigger confusion. And then Sankalp se Siddhi. So the Sankalp that we created, the thoughts radiated into the environment, outside shifted even more. Now, we want to change the world. Today this world is called Kalyug. Kalyug. We were all here this morning. Now it will be afternoon, then it will be evening, and then it will be night. Right? But after the night, it will be morning again. So on a bigger level, the level of the globe, there was morning, afternoon, evening and now night. And अब सिर्फ रात नहीं, but pitch darkness, घोर रात्रि. But after this darkness, after that night, this is going to be morning again. Morning again. So morning, afternoon, evening, night, सतयुग, त्रेता युग, द्वापर युग, कलयुग. कलयुग के बाद घोर कलयुग, जो अभी चल रहा है. चल रहा है. रोज़ नई नई बातें सुनेंगे, जैसे क्या क्या होता है आजकल. बोलते हैं ना हमें से, ऐसे कैसे कोई कर सकता है, ऐसे कैसे कोई कर सकता है. घोर कलयुग. लेकिन घोर कलयुग कैन नॉट गो ऑन फॉर एवर. The night cannot go on forever. So after Ghor Kalyug, morning again, Satyug. Who created the Kalyug? Who created the Kalyug? Is there anyone here in this room who was a part of creating the Kalyug? I told you rule of the game this morning. For nothing we have to say we all. Anyone here contributed to creating the Kalyug? Please raise your hands. Yes, did you contribute towards creating the Kalyug? Yes. Now raise your hands those who are ready to contribute towards creating the Satyug. Wow, I love this. These are bigger hands. And Kalyug is like this and Satyug is like this. Wow, very good. Say. Now, easy to create Satyug while living in Kalyug? Easy to create Satyug while living in Kalyug? Do we know the difference between the two worlds? Okay, give a few words which describe Kalyug. Give a few words which describe Kalyug. Hatred. Soullessness means matlab kuch energy is bilkul down. So describe that world which describes Kalyug. What is it? What are the labels that we can put which says this is Kalyug? But we should know the difference between the two. The Kalyug will be described by what words? Waste, violence, greed, strife, anger, ego, lust. Okay. Describe Satyug. Purity, peace, harmony, blissful, real, authentic, yes. What else? Equality, unity, beautiful, contentment. Now, each one has to say for themselves today, I am taking the responsibility of creating Satyug. By doing what? How will I create Satyug? By creating Satyugi sanskars. Sanskar, Sanskriti, Sansar. Sanskar means my nature, my habit. Sanskriti means my culture. हम कहते हैं ना ये भारत की संस्कृति है. So what is Sanskriti? For what do we say this is our culture? Based on our way of living, eating, being, celebrating. So we say this is Bharat ki culture. Let me ask myself, what is my culture? My culture, my way of living will again get created by my way of thinking. So sanskar means my nature, will create my way of living, means my culture, my sanskriti, and that will radiate into the environment and it will create my sansar, my world. My world. What is my world? My world is my body, my family, my home, my team, my workplace, my friends, my relatives. This is my world. This is my world. We're not talking about the globe right now. First, we will start with working only on my world. And when each one of us starts creating in Satyug in my world, the Satyug on the globe to ho hi jayega, right? So I today take responsibility to start creating Satyug. I do not sit at home watching the news and saying, oh, why has the world become like this? We are not going to complain about Kali Yuga. Because if we complained about Kali Yuga, then we are only creating thoughts of Kali Yuga. And the more we will create thoughts of Kali Yuga, Kali Yuga will become stronger. Kali Yuga will become stronger because I'm only thinking, being, living, Kali Yuga, ye bhi ho raha, ye bhi ho raha, ye bhi ho raha, ye bhi ho raha. Kali Yuga is here. I am creating Satyug. So no complaining about Kali Yuga, but shifting to creating Satyug. You know, in the office also we see some people are only complaining about things. ये ऐसा क्यों है, ये ऐसा क्यों है, ये ऐसा क्यों. And some people will say, okay, ये ऐसा है, हमें क्या करना है? So we are shifting from problem to solution, from samasya to samadhan. Because if we keep churning about the problem, talking about the problem, reading about the problem, posting about the problem, then we are only reinforcing the problem. Why? Because we are reinforcing that vibration of the problem. What about the solution? So for every problem that is there today in the world, every problem, the solution is going to start here. We cannot change them, but we can change the vibrations that we radiate out into the world. Name any problem that you would like to change in the world today, and let's see how we can do it right now. Any problem. One is problems of our life. One is problems around us. Pick up any random problem of the world. Terrorism. Ask yourself, in any way, are you contributing towards the vibration of terror in the world? Do I, at any point of time, create terror, anxiety, violence in my world? How many of us create that inside? Angry with somebody, hating somebody, abusing somebody inside, here. Now when I create that terror in here, I'm radiating the vibration of terror into the world. If 7 billion people will radiate vibration of terror into the world, what's going to be the vibration of the world? Terror. Some souls will get so influenced by that vibration of terror, then they will not create terror only in the world here, but they will bring out that terror into action. Few people will bring out the terror into action. But most of us are responsible for the vibration of the terror which brought that terror into action. Now, sitting home, we probably can't stop them from doing what they are doing. But what is it that we can start doing? Where's our power? What is it that we can start doing? I finish the terror inside me. Like when you came in here yesterday, you got influenced by the vibration of peace of the environment. You did not do anything to create that peace, right? You only walked into a place where a lot of people over a period of time had been creating pure peaceful thoughts. You just came into that and you felt peace. Is the opposite also possible? Is the opposite also possible? Yes, that you and me can walk into an environment with a lot of hatred, a lot of fear, a lot of anxiety. We are not creating it, but we just walked into a place where there's a lot of that being created inside. When we go there, will our mind get influenced? Yes? So can we make our contribution to finishing terror in the world? Isn't it better than just sitting back and complaining about the terror in the world? So how can we finish the terror in the world? By finishing the terror in my world. What should I do to finish the terror in my world? What do I have to finish? The terror in my world. And remember that time that when you are finishing the terror in your world, you are contributing towards creating a peaceful, beautiful world. The bigger world. So any change that we bring about in ourselves actually is not just for us. It's actually influencing the world. What a big contribution. What a big contribution. Yes? Ready to change the world? Now, what do we do to finish the terror in our world? What is it that creates terror in our world? Thoughts of? Hanji? Hatred, anger, irritation, jealousy, blame game. Blaming other people for your quality of life. That is a big reason which is creating terror in the world. Blaming others. Now, let's shift and ask ourselves, can I live a life where I never use the weapon of anger? Let's drop our weapons before we ask others to drop theirs. We are using the weapon of anger to get work done. Gussa kiya, kaam ho gaya, gussa kiya, kaam ho gaya. So we are also using a weapon to get work done. Ready to drop your weapons and stand for peace? Yes? It's a habit that we are going to change. And we just saw in the last session that changing a habit is very, bolo, changing a habit is very, it's the simplest thing to do. You know why it's the simplest thing to do? Why it's the simplest thing to do? Because it's not dependent on anything and anyone else outside. Nothing. It's dependent only here. Now, how did the habit get created? Koi bhi aadat. How does a habit get created? You do something once, twice, 5 times, 10 times, 20 times, uske baad habit. Remember the first day you started learning to drive your car. Just remember that day. Were you listening to the radio that day while driving the car? No? Were you talking on the phone while driving the car? No. Were you eating your sandwich while driving the car? No. Were you talking to the people sitting in the car? No. We were doing only one thing. We were driving the car. After 15 days, we can eat a sandwich, listen to the radio, talk to people, listen to the songs, and also talk on the phone with the Bluetooth and drive the car. So I am eating the sandwich, talking to people, listening to music. Who's driving the car? Who's driving the car? Because I'm talking to somebody, I'm eating something, I'm listening to music, and after half an hour I say, okay, I've reached home. Who's driving the car? The sanskar that I created in those 15 days. Then I go to the US. A slightly different way of driving the car. Again, for the first 3 days, I don't eat a sandwich. I don't listen to music, I don't talk to people, I only drive the car. This time it takes only 2-3 days. After 2-3 days, again, I'm doing everything else. The sanskar is driving the car. Which means anything done a few times, after that it has gone into it's called the automatic mode. We don't have to do anything. It will do its work on its own. It's a sanskar. But I always have to remember who created this sanskar. I created this sanskar. And best part is, I can change any sanskar anytime. Kitne din lagenge? कितने दिन लगेंगे? 3 days. Okay, done. 3 days. And you're here for 3 days. So you can change any sanskar over here. It's that simple. Why it's very important to understand it's that simple? Because I block my transformation with one simple line which says, very difficult to change a habit. And that's where the journey stops. Or we say, this is my nature. And when I say this is my nature, I'm trying to tell the other person, don't ask me to change, this is my nature. The easiest thing to change is my nature. So what we saw this morning, I the being, the energy, the creator of every thought and feeling, which we call soul, spirit, light, being, energy. What does this energy sit and do the whole day? 3 very important roles. I create a thought. It's called the mind at that time. I'm creating the thoughts. Have we ever seen the mind? Can a doctor show us the mind? He can show us the brain, not the mind. Brain is physical, mind is energy. दिखाई नहीं देगी, सिर्फ महसूस होगी, experience होगा. So I create a thought. Now I can create many thoughts. Then I, the soul, evaluate those thoughts, take a decision. That's called the intellect. And whenever I take a decision, that decision then comes out into action. It's called the karma. Then next time again the same situation arises, I create 2-3 thoughts, take a decision, comes out into karma. The first time I told a lie. Every child creates a lot of thoughts before telling a lies. Should I not? Should I not? Then intellect says, it's okay. अगर सच बोला तो bond टाट पड़ने वाली है, झूठ बोलो, काम खत्म करो. Right? And that is the first day I brought that into karma. Next time a situation came, again few thoughts. Again if the intellect says, it's okay. Next time into karma. 4-5 times. After that, we bypass the first 2 stages, creating thoughts, should I not, taking a decision and coming into karma. First 2 stages of the process plant are bypassed, situation comes, karma. This is the stage where we say now ye inki aadat hai, habit, sanskar, and you can see that for any habit. Whether it is a habit of drinking, eating, particular way of talking, driving, or a subtle habit of responding, behaving in situations, it's only a habit. How did the habit get created? Few thoughts, mind, decision, intellect, comes out into action. Then again few thoughts, decision, action, 4-5 baar ke baad, thoughts closed, decision closed, directly karma. Then we say it's become a sanskar. Now, we want to change the sanskar. Which stage will we have to start? It's a cycle. Thoughts, decision, sanskar. Thoughts, decision, sanskar. Now once it's become a sanskar, my thoughts will arise out of that. Because now it's become my sanskar. Say out any of your sanskars that you would like to change. Anybody, random, bolo. Everyone. 1. You chose 1 in the last session. Shout it out. Impatience. Hanji? Confusion. Angry. Attachment. Hanji? Jealousy. Or fear. Very good. Or Hanji? Inferiority. Now, to make it simpler, first start with a habit which is outside. Easy to change, see the change. Then shift to the subtle habits which are inside. Certain habits of the time we sleep, the time we wake up. Check, am I doing what is healthy? What we eat, what we drink, am I doing what is healthy? What we read first thing in the morning, am I doing what is healthy? Why it's so important to first do it on the outside? Because I need to create a sanskar of creating sanskars. आदत बदलने की आदत डालनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि बहुत समय से हम कह रहे थे ये आदत तो मैं बदल ही नहीं सकता. तो सबसे पहले आई हैव टू स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग अ संस्कार of being able to change any habit which I choose. Go one step higher, choose first a habit which is outside first, right now. So that we see how to do that, then move to the second stage which is inside. Any outside habit that you would like to change. Anybody? Hanji? Habit. Specify karo. I want to change this habit. Sanskar. I don't exercise regularly. 1. So I'm shifting to exercising daily. 1. Anything else? Everyone here has no habit that you want to change? Or you don't want to share your habit? Or you're not being able to choose your habit? What is taking so long? Exercise is 1. Second? Hanji? Thinking a lot second. Let's take outside habit right now. पहले उसको change करते हैं, फिर एक technique मिल जाएगी change करने की. हाँ. Getting up in the. You want to skip the morning tea. Finish the morning tea. Okay, good. Okay, drinking alcohol. Anybody wants to give up alcohol, smoking? उठा लो हाथ, अच्छी बात है. उठा लो हाथ. Anyone has it and doesn't want to give it up? उठा लो हाथ. Any dependency on any substance, thinking that it makes me feel good, is the easiest way to deplete soul power. Any dependency on any substance, object, person, thinking that this will make me feel good, happy. Healthy to alag baat hai. We don't need to discuss about whether it's healthy or not healthy. We're talking about what any dependency will do to soul power. किसी भी चीज़ पर डिपेंडेंट होना, किसी भी चीज़ के लिए कहना इसके बिना मेरा नहीं चलता. हाँ नितिन, मेरा नहीं चलता विदाउट द मॉर्निंग टी. कब छोड़ेंगे दैट इज सेकेंडरी. पहले ये कोडिंग हटा दो. आई कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट माई कॉफी. I cannot live without this. Nowadays people say, I cannot live without this person. And if something happens in a relationship, the mind pops up the first line saying, I don't want to live. See how sanskars? Because sanskars don't come person or object or substance specific. If I create a sanskar of saying, I cannot live without my coffee, or I cannot live without a particular thing, what is the groove that is getting created? I cannot live without this. Now this is a song that will start playing on the soul, and it will now not play only for that one substance. Tomorrow it will shift to something else. Day after tomorrow it will shift to something else. And every time we are saying, I cannot without this, I'm telling myself, I am dependent on this. I'm making soul power wake. So alcohol smoking. This is a very beautiful place to decide to give up things. For the simple reason why, because over a period of so many years here, millions of souls have come here and given up things. So it's in the air here. It's in the air. Because it's a vibration where a lot of people have come and said, today I give up this, and they never touched it again for the rest of their life. Today I stop this, and they never touched it. So it's in the air. So you get the benefit of absorbing that vibration from the place. So today you can choose anything which you thought was the toughest and it will become easy only because you're in the vibration. Of course, it will be very easy even after going back, but let's make use of the environment where we are. So alcohol, smoking, tea, coffee, anything else? You want to give up social media? We don't say you want to give up social media, we will say we will use it the right way. The right way. What else? Anything else we want to change? Be talking first about the मोटी मोटी आदत बाहर वाली, फिर उसको हम करेंगे छोटी छोटी आदत जो सूक्ष्म वाली है, subtle. Anything else anybody wants to change? Hanji brother? I need to learn how to say no to people. You know, one day if we sit and make a list, we make a list of what all we want to change so that we will be happy. The list is long. But the beautiful part is once we have the technique of doing it, we just have to choose what we want to do and say, okay, from today this is done. From today this is done. This is done. Now, Sankalp se Siddhi. Mind, intellect, sanskar. I have the habit of drinking something, eating something, whether it's my tea, coffee, alcohol, smoking, not exercising. This is a reality right now, that I am addicted to this, or I am not disciplined, or I am not doing this properly. When I see this habit, what is the thoughts that I start creating? What is the thought that I start creating? What's the thought you create for yourself? I cannot quit. And when I create the thought, I cannot quit, what will be the result? What will be the result? I cannot quit. And the more the result is I cannot quit, I will create a thought, I cannot quit. And the more I create the thought, I cannot quit, the more will be the result, I cannot quit. And then finally I create a final thought, I never be able to do this. Stop trying. Destiny created. Now, change the thought. What's the thought that we will create? Sankalp se siddhi karni hai. What's the thought that we will create? I can quit. Or thoda upar uthao. We have to raise the frequency of our thought. Higher, higher, higher. One is I cannot quit. Lower frequency thought. Next one, I can quit. और ऊपर लेकर जाओ. I will quit. Very good. और ऊपर लेकर जाओ. I have quit. See the spectrum? Can you see the spectrum of the thoughts? Now whatever thought you create, feeling, body, people, environment, choose which is the right thought for you from this spectrum. I cannot quit. I can quit, I should quit, I will quit, I have quit, I've never had it only. Simple. I have a choice. I have a choice which one to pick up from this spectrum of thoughts. Now, I choose that thought. Now I start consciously creating that thought every day. First thought in the morning. First thought, suppose you want to give up alcohol, smoking, eating non-veg. Doesn't create very happy vibrations. Create a thought first thing in the morning, I am a pure sattvic soul. Everything that I eat and drink is pure sattvic prasad. What will start happening? You see what will start happening? Till yesterday I was creating a thought, I cannot give up alcohol. This is one thought. Second thought is, I am a pure sattvic soul. Everything that I eat and drink is prasad, sattvic. You see the difference between the two thoughts? Actually, both the thoughts are right. One thought is saying, I cannot quit alcohol. I am addicted to it. I am dependent on this. The more I will think that, The more I will feel that, the more I will radiate that, the more I will become that. Now the more I will create this thought, I am a pure sattvic soul. Everything that I eat and drink is sattvic. Will something start happening to that groove that you saw in the last session? दिख रहा है? Groove कैसे create होता है? Groove कैसे create होता है? Like, water flowing in the garden. If it goes on the same path every day, what will it create in the garden over there? It will create a groove. And now every day, a pipe on karo pani, the water will automatically flow according to that groove. Now you want to change the direction of the water. तो थोड़े दिन के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? थोड़े दिन के लिए आपको कॉन्शियसली उस पानी के डायरेक्शन को चेंज करना पड़ेगा. एंड वेरी सून वी वुड हैव क्रिएटेड अनदर ग्रूव. संकल्प से सिद्धि. What I think will become a reality. What we are doing today, we are looking at the reality and creating thoughts. I cannot quit is a reality. So I am creating that thought. I cannot quit. But sankalp se siddhi hoti hai. So the minute I create a thought, I cannot quit, what will happen to the reality? What will happen to the reality? That's how it will become. There's another very beautiful line we've all heard. Sankalp se srishti. Suna hai? Sankalp se srishti. Srishti means reality. Sankalp means thought. The equation is sankalp se srishti. The equation is not srishti se sankalp. What's the difference? What is the difference between the two? Sankalp se srishti या सृष्टि से संकल्प? What is the difference? जो reality है सृष्टि, we're not to think of it. We will think that what we want the reality to be. संकल्प से सृष्टि है, सृष्टि से संकल्प नहीं है. So what's the first thought now? Sister, thought. Everybody now for themselves. Thought. You need to exercise daily. Thought. Bolo. Thought. I am a disciplined soul. I exercise daily. Beautiful. I enjoy exercising daily. See, that's it. Once you shift to start creating those kind of thoughts, it's immense creativity. There's no limit to beautiful, pure, positive thinking. And there's no limit to negative thinking. It's both our choice. The other choice could have been, I've tried enough, मेरे से होता नहीं है, there is no point, सब लोग करते होंगे, I cannot do it. ठीक है, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, I cannot exercise. One way of thinking. Another way of thinking is, I'm a disciplined soul, I exercise daily, and then she raised it even higher and she said, I enjoy exercising. Can you see what will happen when I create this thought? It's going to start manifesting into reality. Now all of you do that for your thing, for your habit. Everybody. Now this can be for an outer habit, this can be for a subtle habit. Put the line. This is called blessings for yourself. And anybody can share. चलो अभी तो this is very interesting, बहुत easy है. Anyone can share. हाँ तो बोलो उसका thought क्या create करेंगे? If you say, I am lazy, so it will be. You create the thought. Give yourself that blessing. I am energetic, vibrant, active. I think and do it immediately. Finished. Don't put in that line, I am not lazy. Very careful. Sankalp se siddhi, you have to be very careful. If you keep saying, I am not lazy, you're not telling yourself what I am. So don't use the vocabulary of I am not angry. I don't create anger. Nahin. So what's going to be the thought? I am a peaceful being. Simple. Now Nitin, chai. What's the thought? Beautiful. We don't even think about it, we don't even talk about it. Very soon that groove will disappear. Very soon the effect from my body will disappear. Many of us say that the body has withdrawal symptoms when we leave something. It's not the body which has withdrawal symptoms. It's the mind which is creating that thought but not having it. So if I stop having my tea tomorrow, I stop having it here, but I don't stop having it here. ऐसे चाय पीनी चाहिए थी यार, ऐसे कैसे छोड़ सकते हैं, अभी कैसे चलेगा? And then very soon I say, my body needs the tea. My body doesn't need anything. My body only needs that what my mind tells my body that I need. So let's not blame the body for the withdrawal symptom. It's I, what thought I am creating. So when I am quitting something, I have to be very clear that I am sending the right message. Anybody else wants to share? What's the blessing, sankalp for yourself today? I am happy. Always and with everyone and in every situation. Good. Anything else? Hanji? I don't feel? No, opposite. You will not say, I don't feel depressed. Change it. Change. I don't feel depressed means I feel or upar. Not depressed means happy. Always. With everyone. In every situation. Aur bataiye. Now the person who was talking about fear, create the thought. Dar khatam karna hai. Dar. Fear. What will be the thought? I am a confident soul. What else? I am brave. What else? I am powerful. What else? Strong. I am nidar. You're creating a new groove. Now, once we start creating this thought, take care that ये नहीं होना चाहिए few thoughts ये वाली and फिर बीच में चलते चलते thoughts वो वाली. तो क्या हो जाएगा? There was this earlier groove which was in this direction, and then this morning I started creating a groove in this direction, and then afternoon बीच में I again went into this direction. तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए. So once we choose, we consciously create only those thoughts. बीच में you will find yourself creating those old thoughts. Why will they get created? Because the sanskar is there deep. पुराना वाला. But जैसे ही you see your mind creating those old thoughts, immediately say no. Start creating a thought, no, I'm feeling very low. Immediately cut it and say, no, I'm very happy. The mind will say, where happier? I'm not happy. Say, yes, I'm very happy. Treat your mind like somebody sitting next to you. कई बार होता है somebody sitting next to you say नहीं I'm feeling very low. No यार, you're very nice, you're very happy. The person says अच्छा. After 5 minutes says but no यार. Say no. How long will the other person keep on playing the old song? 4 times, 5 times, 6. Overpower the person. The minute they start talking about the old sanskar, immediately say, no, you're not like this, you are like this. Treat your mind like a separate entity. Counsel your mind. प्यार से बात करो उस मन से, अच्छी अच्छी मीठी मीठी बातें करो उससे. इसका इंतजार मत करो कि दूसरे लोग हमसे मीठी मीठी बातें करेंगे. हमारे संकल्प से हमारी सिद्धि है, दूसरों के संकल्प से हमारी सिद्धि नहीं है. The whole world will keep saying that you're a wonderful person. But if I don't feel I'm a wonderful person, I will not feel happy. तो मेरे संकल्प से मेरी सिद्धि है. Anything else? Anyone who's still not clear how to create the thought for their situation? Yes, sister? You want to share what you've created? Nobody wants to share? Different? हाँ जी? Overthinking. Replace? आप बताइए. Overthinking की quality कैसी होती है? When you're overthinking, Too much of thinking, what will be the quality of the thoughts? Negative. Change. Now, don't say, I have the habit of overthinking. Change. What is it going to be? Positive or acha? Peaceful or acha? Powerful, happy. I think only that much which is necessary. I think only that which is right. I think. I should think nahi. I will think nahi. I think only that which is right and how much is necessary. इसको कहते हैं अपने आप को ब्लेसिंग देना. हम जाते हैं ना लोगों से ब्लेसिंग मांगने के लिए, एंड जब हमें कोई ब्लेसिंग देता है वी से अब ये हो जाएगा क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे ब्लेसिंग दी. आई कैन गिव ब्लेसिंग टू माई सेल्फ डेली. Begin the day, first thing in the morning, with creating and visualizing this thought that you have created at least 5 times. At least 5 times. And while you are creating that thought, you also have to visualize it. Why to visualize it? Visualization means I'm using the power of the intellect to visualize. There was a very interesting experiment. 2 study groups were taken. One group was asked to play the piano every day for 2 hours. And while they were playing the piano, it was seen the effect that was getting created on the brain and on the body. The other group was asked to only visualize that they are playing the piano. 2 hours, 5 days playing the piano, 2 hours, 5 days only imagining that they are playing the piano. Inka brain pattern and body, inka brain pattern and body, both were tested. What would have been the difference? What would have been the difference? One actually played the piano, the other visualized that they were playing the piano. What would have been the difference? Brain pattern. What would have been the difference? What was the difference? There was no difference between the two. And the study says, the brain and the body cannot differentiate between the real and the imaginary. This is a very powerful thing. The brain and the body cannot differentiate between the real and the imaginary. Which means, if there is an actual situation in my life and I'm creating a thought, or one is I'm only imagining a situation and I'm creating a thought, the effect is going to be the same. All the amount that we worry, we create fear, anxiety, nothing is happening outside, it's all happening inside, but every time we are doing it, the effect on the soul, the brain and the body is identical, because the groove that is getting created is starting from the thought. So जैसे मैंने thought create की, suppose I meet her, she doesn't talk properly to me, that's a situation. I create a thought, she insulted me. One thought. Okay? Now the minute I've created the thought, it's a recording on the soul. I created a thought, she insulted me. When I create this thought, some message goes to the brain, message goes to the body. After that, I come and sit in my room and say, she insulted me. She's not there now. I'm only creating a thought. Effect on the soul, on the brain and the body will be the same. Now we know why mental health, emotional health, physical health going all up and down, because we're thinking too much of all those problems. Now, when I create a thought, I'm a peaceful being. What will happen? What will happen? What will happen when I create a thought, I'm a peaceful being? I've only created a thought. It's going to send a message to the brain and the body. Now, she insulted me. What is the thought that I should create? What's the thought that I need to create so that I protect myself? I can't change her. I can't change her. But for everyone who doesn't behave my way, if I start creating on this, she insulted me, she hurt me, she betrayed me, he cheated me, what's going to start getting created here? Nobody loves me. Everyone rejects me. No one respects me. What will radiate to the brain and the body? You see what happens? Now these are used as very powerful tools in even healing physical ailments. And that's why if you go to a healing for a body, they will first say, okay, think of all the past that you are holding on your mind. We have to clean that. We've gone to them for healing for the body. They start cleaning the soul. Why do they want us to clean the soul? Because it's the message from the soul which is creating the problem in the body. So when we start creating this thought first thing in the morning, we are going to start visualizing it. So now you will start creating the thought and visualizing yourself sitting every morning. Sitting every morning, having that cup of hot water. You will start sitting every morning, creating the thought and visualizing yourself enjoying your exercise. Now take it a little deeper. You will start visualizing yourself every morning being with everyone at work and being very peaceful, calm, patience. And you will start visualizing yourself being with everyone and being happy for their success. So earlier groove on the soul said, I get jealous. Now next thought on the soul is going to be, I'm happy when other people do well. Difference? Difference? Whatever I think will keep getting created. Coding will happen. Then I will go to work. Someone will do well. Someone will get a promotion. My coding I had created in the morning was, when someone does well, I am happy. When someone does well today at work, I will automatically feel nice. Because programming was done in the morning. Output will come in the day. But in the morning, based on my past sanskars, if I say, I feel jealous when other people do well. Coding? And there it will come, and so it will happen. And every time it happens, it will get reinforced. So thought, decision, karma, sanskar. Every soul carries 5 types of sanskars. And this becomes very easy to understand ourselves and to understand other people. When we understand, I am not this body, I am using the body, I am this energy. Today, if it is time for me to leave this body, the time of death, what will happen? I, the soul, will leave this body, and there I go, slip into a new costume. Now, can you just visualize you in this costume, and then you, a one-day baby? Dikhta hai? Can you describe that baby? Can you describe that baby? Describe that baby. Pure, innocent, bright. Between leaving this costume, it's like the dress which you're wearing today, and tomorrow when we meet, you'll be wearing another dress. Do you change when you change your dress? Do you change? Similarly, we won't change when we change this dress. So the sanskars that are there on the soul, leave the costume, take the next one, and you will have the baby with the same sanskar. And that's why you see different children, different sanskars. Same house, same parents, different children, different sanskars. Same house, same parents, twins. Look identical, which means costume is the same, similar. Different sanskars. Why different sanskars? Past is different. So, one set, now look at the soul with 5 folders. One folder has all the sanskars which I, the soul, got from my past. One folder. Second folder, sanskars I got from my family, my parents. Do we all have a few sanskars which we got from family, parents? Yes? Can you identify? Can you identify any of your sanskars which people will say, oh, this is just like her mother. This is just like her father. Sanskars from parents. Second folder. Third folder. Sanskars which get created where we are, the environment. The country we are born, the city where we live, the school where we went, the friends who we have, people whom we work with today. Environment. Third folder. First folder, क्या था? Past. Second folder, family. Third folder, environment. Fourth folder, any sanskar which I can get created using my willpower. Doesn't matter what I'm carrying in the first 3. Today I decide and I create a new sanskar, I overpower the first 3 folders. So fourth folder, willpower sanskar. Fifth folder, and the most important folder, is the original sanskar of every soul. The original sanskar of every soul. Which would be the sanskars in the fifth folder? Which sanskars do you see? Which files are there in the fifth folder? Purity, peace, love, happiness, power, knowledge, bliss. These 7 files are in one folder on every soul. Repeat. I am a peaceful soul. I am a pure soul. I am a loveful soul. I am a powerful soul. I am a knowledgeful soul. I am a blissful soul. 7 गुणों से बनी हुई आत्मा, सतो गुणी आत्मा. Now see your 5 folders and see your sanskars divided into these folders. Past birth, family, environment, willpower, most important, original sanskars. There are some sanskars which we are carrying which we don't know why we have that sanskar. For example, if somebody is carrying a sanskar of fear, it's probably carried from the past. Somebody is carrying a sanskar of doubt. Someone somewhere cheated them, betrayed them, they got hurt, they don't want to trust people, file got created in the folder, soul left the body. That means out from this system into the next system, the sanskar of doubt and fear is going with me. And then baby born, growing up, 2-year-old, 3-year-old, 4-year-old, doesn't want to be alone in the room. डर लगता है मुझे. Parents will say, क्यों डर लगता है? नहीं, बस मुझे डर लगता है. The child doesn't understand क्यों डर लगता है. The parents don't understand कि क्यों डर लगता है. And sometimes what happens, we ridicule the soul for their sanskar. ऐसे कैसे तुमको डर लगता है? And then we can call the child, तुम बहुत डरपोक हो. कहते हैं हम ऐसा? What will happen जैसे ही हम ये कहेंगे? What will happen? Now, here is the soul carrying a sanskar of fear, creating a thought कि मुझे डर लगता है, and here I am a parent radiating a vibration, even if it's only in my mind, saying ये डरपोक है. Which file will open every time? Which file will open every time? That fear wala file will keep opening. Now, you have the power not only to change your sanskars, but you have the power to be able to change other people's sanskars. Look at this soul carrying a sanskar of fear. What's the thought that you will create for them? Remembering very well that that soul has that fifth folder of all the 7 original sanskars. Our role is to hit our thought onto that file in the 5th folder and help them to open that file on there. Simple. Create a thought for this child जिसको बहुत डर लगता है. See? है कि नहीं simple? Powerful soul. आप बहुत पावरफुल बच्चे हो, लेकिन हम क्या करते हैं, रियलिटी को देखते हैं कि उसको डर लगता है और हम थॉट क्या क्रिएट करते हैं, ये तो बहुत डरता है. एंड जितना हम ये थॉट क्रिएट करेंगे वो फियर का संस्कार क्या होता जाएगा. So let's not create the thought of what is the reality, let's create a thought what we want to be. अब किसी को गुस्सा आता है, what's the thought we create? Peaceful soul. For ourselves also, for them also. Always remembering that every soul has those 7 sanskars. Every soul. Even if you feel they are not using it at all. ऐसा होता नहीं है वैसे that they are not using, but तो भी अगर आपको लगता है कि they are not using it, you can help them to open the file by only creating that thought for them. Ready to change the destiny? अपनी भी और दूसरों की भी. Yes? Now, do not look at the sanskars which people are carrying now. The more we will look at their sanskar, if she has a sanskar of anger, see how the equation is going to work. My one folder also has one file of anger. Right now I am very peaceful. I am very peaceful. So which file have I opened? Peace. Okay? Visualize yourself. You are very peaceful, very happy. You have opened the file of peace here, and there you go and meet her. She has opened the file of anger. Now, if I see her file of anger and if I start thinking and talking about her anger, what's going to happen very soon? I will land up opening the file of anger on my CD. Because वो फाइल है तो सही, तो जैसे ही मैंने उसके बारे में सोचना या बोलना शुरू किया वो फाइल खुल जाएगी. So to protect yourself and to heal the other person, do not think and speak of what you see them doing now, which means do not focus your energy on other people's weaknesses. अगर हम दूसरों की कमजोरियों का चिंतन करेंगे तो फिर वो कमजोरी वहाँ नहीं यहाँ आ जाएगी. यहाँ आ जाएगी तो वो वाला संस्कार. And that's why don't think, talk and complain about others' weaknesses or the problems in the world. We want to open the files only in the 5th folder. So think, talk, read everything only about the 5th folder. धीरे धीरे वो 4 फोल्डर क्या हो जाएंगे, 5th फोल्डर की फाइल्स क्या होने लगेंगी, खुलती जाएंगी, यूज़ होती जाएंगी. थोड़े दिन यूज़ होने के बाद वो किस मोड में चली जाएंगी, वो ऑटोमेटिक मोड में चली जाएंगी. और आप थोड़े दिन के बाद कहेंगे पता नहीं मेरे को क्या हुआ, मेरे को गुस्सा ही नहीं आता. हो सकता है ऐसा या नहीं हो सकता? इट्स वेरी वेरी सिंपल, वेरी वेरी सिंपल. नाउ who creates my thoughts? Because now we saw thoughts creates all these things, but now who creates my thoughts? I am the creator of my thought. But today, because I have getting influenced, because I am a little weak, I get influenced by 3 things to create my thoughts: information, past experiences, and my belief system. If I believe anger is necessary, anger is normal, anger is needed to get work done, if that is my belief, I will create a thought, गुस्सा तो करना ही पड़ेगा इसको. 1. If I have seen somebody or me in the past having used anger and got work done, past experience, then I will say, जोर से बोलूँगी ना काम हो जाएगा अभी. I will use anger. And third is information. First thing in the morning उठते ही information कौन सी लेते हैं? If you want to open your 5th folder, then take in information only of that quality. Start beginning your morning with reading, watching, listening to things, content which are only talking about peace, purity, love, compassion, acceptance, respect, unity. But if I begin my morning reading, watching, listening, talking about violence, aggression, corruption, I consume it, I already have the file, it gets triggered, and so I become. So when somebody was saying about social media gives us both the kinds of information. लेकिन चटपटी जो लगती है हम वो पढ़ लेते हैं. होता है कि नहीं होता ऐसा? अगर यहाँ पर एक प्लेट स्प्राउट्स पड़ी हो और यहाँ पर समोसे, कचौरी और भेलपुरी और ऐसी चीज़ पड़ी हो, एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू कम एंड पिक, तो कहाँ जाएंगे फिर? Now, don't choose what is tasty, choose what is healthy. And फिर सिर्फ 4-5 दिन मुझे अपनी वो थॉट के साथ, नहीं ये मेरे लिए हेल्दी नहीं है, ये मेरे लिए हेल्दी नहीं है, नहीं, 5वें दिन के बाद तो वहाँ ध्यान नहीं जाने वाला है. सेम वे सुबह सुबह जब आप उठेंगे, आपकी टीवी पर, आपके फ़ोन पर दोनों चीज़ें आती हैं. चूज़ व्हाट यू कंज्यूम. जितना कलयुगी इन्फॉर्मेशन अंदर लेंगे, उतना कलयुगी सोच बनती जाएगी, उतना ही कलयुग स्ट्रॉन्ग होता जाएगा. Like food is for the body, information is for the soul. And that's why if you want to see the shift in society, see in the last 20-30 years when we got 24/7 electronic media, and then the last few years when we got 24/7 social media, where everyone became a journalist. Yeah. So, before that, when you and me were in school, तो कौन से चैनल पे न्यूज़ देखते थे हम? दूरदर्शन. और न्यूज़ भी कैसे सुनाई जाती थी? प्यार प्यार से, आराम आराम से, धीरे धीरे से. आजकल न्यूज़ कैसे सुनाई जाती है? तो पहले तो न्यूज़ की क्वालिटी, फिर न्यूज़ को सुनाने का तरीका. There is no way that if I take that on a daily basis, very soon you will find yourself talking that way. Because you have consumed it. So one is the quality of the information and the second is the way it's being given. So they are doing their work for TRP. We better take care of ourselves कि हमें सुबह सुबह क्या ग्रहण करना है. Possible? Possible? अब ओवर थिंकिंग क्यों हो रही है? ओवर इंफॉर्मेशन. ओवर इंफॉर्मेशन. जितना पढ़ते जा रहे, जस्ट बैठ जाओ ना वो फ़ोन के साथ. यू डोंट नीड टू सिट इवन 2 minutes साइलेंस, क्योंकि इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती जाएगी, थिंकिंग होती जाएगी, खाते गए, भरते गए. एंड क्वालिटी भी कैसी, एंड फिर इन्फॉर्मेशन भी कितनी. लेट्स टेक one habit today. When I receive a message on my social media, जिसकी क्वालिटी इज नॉट सत्युग, I will delete it without reading, watching or listening. कितने सीरियस क्यों हो गए? बहुत सिंपल है ये. These are the simple habits. These simple habits will automatically make the other ones happen अपने आप. I will delete it without reading, watching or listening anything which is not of a satyug quality, because I want to create satyug, I want to create satyugi sanskars. It's like I want to create health, I will have to have the right diet. I can't eat junk and say I want to be healthy. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. So one, I don't read it, watch it. अभी तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं? रीड कर रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं, वॉच कर रहे हैं, फिर उसके बाद क्या कर रहे हैं? फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हैं. तो हम कलयुगी खुद भी बन रहे हैं और फिर उसके बाद कलयुग को और बढ़ा रहे हैं. अवेयरनेस होनी चाहिए. किस बात की अवेयरनेस होनी चाहिए? हाँ. No, you will only start creating fear now. Empower your child with your powerful vibrations. उसके आसपास सब भी ले रहे होंगे ना, तो वो नहीं लेगा. Empower by knowing about it, creating fear about it, anxiety about it. You are disempowering yourself, disempowering your child, and a disempowered soul will get influenced by peer pressure. An unhappy soul will get influenced by substance abuse. A happy person will never go towards substance abuse. So you have to be very careful. Very, very careful. अगर awareness चाहिए तो awareness of what's happening in my inner world. Flood your mind with information of purity, peace, love, unity, acceptance. You will see your destiny change. At the Brahma Kumaris, today we have centers everywhere. Every 5 kilometers there is a center. All of us go to the center in the morning, 7 o'clock, for 45 minutes, 1 hour. Rest 23 hours out into the world. But that 1 hour is for consuming pure, positive ज्ञान. 23 hours उसका result. तो वो 1 hour जो सुबह सुबह कलयुग का समाचार सुनते थे तो कलयुगी बन रहे थे, that 1 hour got shifted to consuming ज्ञान which is needed for creating a satyug world. कितना सिंपल है. कर सकते हैं सुबह शिफ्ट? कर सकते हैं? कर सकते हैं? इजी है. थोड़े दिन के बाद आपको जो लोग वैसे मैसेजेस भेज रहे थे वो भेजना बंद कर देंगे. Social media is creating a lot of emotional issues. The other day I met a lady and very sweetly she had a few issues in her relationships, 2-3 breakups. She said, I feel very bad when people keep posting on Facebook, I'm getting engaged, I'm getting married, I'm going for a holiday, then they put nice photographs. तो मेरे को बहुत बुरा लगता है. What should I do? I said, don't go onto Facebook for a few days. Simple. It's simple. You have to do simple things. If something is becoming a stimulus for you creating such low thoughts, before you create the power to create good thoughts, at least stop taking that stimulus. Have to. तो अपनी ताकत को बढ़ाएं और ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ों की वजह से आत्मा की शक्ति को घटाना नहीं है. Possible to be without watching the news first thing in the morning? Newspaper first thing in the morning? कितना ठंडा ठंडा यस अभी करेंगे तो ट्यूसडे से कैसे होगा वापस जाने के बाद. Okay, let's do it as an experiment for 1 month. Just experiment change of emotional diet. This is an emotional diet. Just experiment for 1 month कि अर्ली मॉर्निंग नहीं सुनना पड़ना कुछ ऐसा न्यूज़ में, दिन में उतना ही लेना जितना ज़रूरी है आपके लिए. We think intelligent मतलब वो who knows everything that's happening in the world. Wow, very well read. He knows everything that's happening in the world. ये अलग बात है that he has no control left over his own world. But he knows everything that's happening in the outer world. No. इसको wise नहीं कहेंगे. कई कहते हैं they are very knowledgeable. बहुत knowledgeful है. Knowledgeful तो पहले अपना होना पड़ेगा ना. And one thing is being knowledgeful of what's happening in the world, and the other thing is taking a divine knowledge and changing the world. जितना हम कलयुग का समाचार पढ़ेंगे कलयुग उतना ही बनता जाएगा. हम कुछ ऐसा करें जो कल का न्यूज़पेपर बदले. बदलेंगे नहीं बदलें? बदलें. We have the power to change what's going to come in the newspaper tomorrow. But for that we will have to stop consuming what's coming in the newspaper today. तभी वो चेंज हो पाएगा. अपने आप को बचाएं. सिर्फ उतना लें जो ज़रूरी है, और वो भी सुबह सुबह नहीं. It cannot be the first layer of information, and it should definitely not be the last layer of information before going to sleep. जो हमारी last layer of information, last layer of thoughts होती हैं, they work on the mind, the brain and the body throughout the night. Prime time on news channel is early morning, late night. Prime time वही है. And that's the time जब damaging है. बीच में दिन में ले लो. सुबह सुबह नहीं, रात को नहीं. If I'm going to read about somebody who posts on social media, so and so is like this, so and so politician is like this, so and so actor is like this, it is somebody's perspective. We are not saying right or wrong, we are saying it's someone's perspective. But if I absorb it, very soon I'm influencing the folders here. Just this morning I got a very nice message on WhatsApp, and it says, if you believe, and it gave examples of all the different religions today in the world. And it said, just do one thing. Withdraw yourself from social media and media for a few days, and you will realize that the world and your country is a very beautiful place. It's a very beautiful place. मीडिया हमें कुछ चीज़ें दिखाता है, बाकी नहीं दिखाता है, राइट? लेकिन हम वो कुछ चीज़ें ही भरते जाते हैं तो वो चीज़ें होती जाती हैं. I'll give you a simple example of what media does. My personal example. I was in a program, public program, and the chief minister of that state was the guest in the program, and there was another minister of the state who was also the guest in the program. And when we went to the stage, the two guests had to still come, and we came there. There was a chair in the center, which was a little bigger chair, and then there were other chairs. Now, obviously the sister who took me to the stage, she said, "Aap yahan baith jao," because I had to give the talk. And I just sat on the chair. And then within 30 seconds, I remembered कि नहीं, इस program में तो the chief minister has to come. So I got up and I sat on the next chair. Then the minister came after that, and he sat on that chair. And then after that, somebody had to go up to them and say, you cannot sit on this chair because the chief minister has to come. So then he was asked to get up, sit on this chair. And after 10 minutes, the chief minister came. The topic of that program was inner peace, inner power. And both the minister and the chief minister spoke very, very well. Very well. It was amazing to see their thoughts, their beliefs of what they felt, what they wanted for the state, for the country. So it was a very beautiful program. Next morning I reached Delhi and they say, "Oh, we saw your program in the news." I said, "Really?" Because spiritual programs rarely come in the news. I said, "Really?" He said, "Yes." I said, "What was the news?" He said, "The news was the minister sat on the chief minister's chair." And do you know what they did? They just kept showing that, how they show it. Idhar baitha, idhar baitha, idhar baitha, idhar baitha, idhar baitha. And they did not show anything about how well they spoke, what they said, what they believe. on what they inspired the people. This is media. Now, when I see that information as my morning news, so what's the quality of the information that I've taken in? Jealousy, criticism, ridicule. This is what I take in early in the morning. And then this is who I become. So even from an entire program, they know what they want to pick up for their profession. That's okay. We're not sitting here and saying right or wrong. We're just saying what are we consuming and what are we believing. Because what we are believing is then becoming. That becomes a reality. तो बहुत ध्यान से लेना है. बहुत ध्यान से लेना है. From a beautiful program of inner peace, inner power, they only showed the ridicule between those two people. They did not show a single even line about what they spoke. So we have to be very careful. For me, that was a first-hand experience. News ऐसे बनती है. Which we are not saying that they don't cover everything else. Yes, they have to cover. Yes, it's their job. Yes, it's their profession. Yes, they're doing a very tough job. Important for us is, what do I have to eat? What do I consume? If you go out for dinner, somebody can lay down 20 dishes for there. Please choose which one is right for you. जिन्होंने बनाया है, उन्होंने वो सारी चीज़ें बनाई हैं. वो उनकी चॉइस है. हमारी चॉइस क्या है? हमने वो 20 चीज़ों में से कौन सी चीज़ खानी है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट इज़ माय प्रायोरिटी इन लाइफ. तो सतयुग क्रिएट करने के लिए, कलयुग में रहते हुए हमें सतयुग क्रिएट करना है. सो वी विल नाउ राइट आवर बेसिक affirmation, our basic thoughts for ourselves, which we will start doing from today. First thing in the morning, 3 to 5 times in the morning. Second, just before going to sleep. That should be your last thought. And in the day, any number of times in the day, आपको जब भी याद आ जाए. At the Brahma Kumaris, we do something very beautiful which is called traffic control of thoughts. And आपने देखा होगा यहाँ campus में, after every 1 hour there is a song which plays for 1 minute. We also have an app on the phone called Traffic Control. Very beautiful music just for 1 minute. So what it does is 1 minute, stop, withdraw, again create your that thought. तो जैसे अगर मैंने thought create करने हैं, I am a peaceful being, I create it every hour. I am a peaceful being. I am a peaceful being. I am a peaceful being. Groove क्या होता जाएगा? Groove क्या होता जाएगा? Change होता जाएगा. So morning, after every 1 hour, and in the night definitely before going to sleep. Simple? Simple? And then bringing it out into action. And थोड़े दिन you bring it out into karma, it's become your sanskar. Once it's become your sanskar, finished. Gone into automatic mode. Okay ji? Let's create it right now. Don't write it. We'll do our meditation. If you have your phone, just put it on recording. We'll do the basic one right now. And then you can fit into it your personal things. This can be done for your sanskar, this can be done for your relationships, this can be done for your health, this can be done for your work. वो संकल्प क्रिएट करें जो हमें चाहिए कि डेस्टिनी हो. If I have a problem with her in my relationship, what's the thought that I should create? What is the thought that I should create? This relationship is very beautiful. Create it, radiate it, create it, radiate it. Watch it becoming a reality. But if I start creating a thought, मेरी इनसे बनती नहीं, मेरी इनसे बनती नहीं, क्या होता जाएगा? Create it, radiate it, watch it happening. ठीक है? Come, sit back. I am a divine being. Divinity is my original nature. It's who I am. My every thought, word, behavior is pure, powerful, full of love and respect for all. I am a Satyugi divine soul. I accept each one as they are. I understand them. Soul on a long journey has carried a lot of sanskars from the past. I accept them. I empower them. Keep visualizing every scene. Different people, different behaviors, different sanskars around me. I understand them. Each one of them is a very beautiful, pure soul. Past is past. It's over. It will never come again. It's a past. I'm happy when I see others doing well. Everything I read, I watch, I eat, I drink is pure sattvic. Everything I read, I watch, I eat, I drink is pure sattvic. I am a divine soul. I am a powerful soul. I can do everything. I can be what I choose to be, what I choose to do. I am a powerful soul. My body is perfect, healthy. Every cell of my body is full of love and purity. I am God's angel, an angel to everyone I meet today. I am His angel. Look at yourself the whole day, at work, at home. I am His angel. My every thought, my word, my behavior. Satyugi. I am the creator of the beautiful world. Angels will walk to lunch in silence. Walk like an angel, light, pure, divine. And as you walk, you're radiating your vibration, your energy field is walking with you, radiating to every person around you, radiating to the environment. I am Divine Angel. Tonight, before going to sleep, choose your thought and keep creating it till you fall off to sleep. That will be our last thought. And that is what will be the reality tomorrow. उठते जाएंगे साइलेंस में बिल्कुल.